Okay, this is my favorite part. All right, let's show you these fabrics. Remember how I said that there was a little bit of pink in that plaid? There's pink in these poinsettias here. Look how pretty these are, and the bows and the ribbons. So they work it in, and it's just so pretty. And it's such good. I mean, you guys know Riley Blake has such beautiful, high quality fabric. This has got a little hint of that pink in there with the green and the red. Okay, this is my favorite part. Look at this little pink deer. Look at this pink holly. I love that there's like a hint of pink, but it's not over the top. And then we have the red background with the bells and all the, it's just so
this
traditional.
Is gorgeous with the pink. Normally I'm not a pink person, but this red with the, like the color, right? Because there's like 8,000 versions of red.
Right.
This pink with it is stunning.
And it's hinted into most of the prints, but it's subtly done. And so it's not overwhelming, and it blends in. It acts as kind of that balance to the bold reds and the greens, which I absolutely love. So yeah, these are all the holiday prints that will be in this beautiful table runner.
Wow. It's just,
I mean, this almost makes me want to invite someone over for the holidays.
I think this is almost my favorite one.
I do. All right, I'm going to tell you my favorite print in this collection. And it is this soft green with all of the little characters. But honestly,
it's the pink deer.
It's the pink deer that does it.
Pink deer that does it.
It's so, I've never seen a pink deer before, but now that I have, I'm like, it makes sense. It just makes sense.
It's meant to be.
But these are the beautiful fabrics that come in this kit. As I mentioned before, everything that is in this kit will help you make the entire quilt top, which is this entire quilt top, as well as the binding that is included. You will need to provide your own backing and your own batting and threads and those kind of things. But everything for what you will see on top of your table when you finish and put this on your table for display is included, which I think is important to note so you guys are prepared